Tommy!
Hey Chiara!
Welcome to Villa Azienda Agricola Il Poggio.
Amazing. And since the place is huge, what do you think if we start the tour right away?
Of course.
Let's go.
So Tommy, the estate is 3,000 square meters with 3 independent entrances and 46 hectares of land with an infinity pool and a panoramic terrace, a tower, main villa.
It's the main building of the property, right?
Yes.
And then the tower?
Actually, the main villa is the oldest building of the property, dates back to the 15th century. And the tower is actually a focus point of the property, but is newer from the 1900s. So there are different areas of the estate that we will show to you. Welcome in the tower. As you see, the condition is very good. The owner revised completely the structure, maintaining the Tuscan style of the portali, which are original, and the ceilings.
Also the windows.
Also the windows, the big windows.
I noticed the terrace from the ground, but I wouldn't expect that you could see basically all the property from here. I mean,
You feel that you are in the top position of the hill.
in the Chianti, right?
Yes, we are in Chianti Colli Fiorentini. So Tommy, this is not really comfortable stairs, but when you're on the top, it's incredible.
Allora, Enrico, raccontami un po' di questo posto.
Allora, noi siamo venuti qua 35 anni fa. Quando parlo di noi parlo di me e di mia moglie, che abbiamo fatto agraria a Perugia, dove ci siamo interessati di biodinamica. Per cui, finita l'università, abbiamo avuto l'opportunità di prendere un'azienda e abbiamo cominciato questo progetto che all'epoca era molto pionieristico, perché di aziende biodinamiche ce n'erano pochissime, perché ci davano dei pazzi quando eravamo all'università. Invece abbiamo cominciato subito la conversione di tutta l'azienda e ci siamo messi a produrre vino, olio, cereali. Molto del lavoro che è importante fare è in campo, quindi il vino e l'olio in particolare sono il risultato, secondo me, dalle esperienze che ho visto in questi 35 anni del lavoro che fa in campo.
Parlando di vino, mi piacerebbe molto assaggiare il tuo.
Guarda, c'è Chiara che ti sta aspettando con una bottiglia.
Andiamo. Andiamo.
Cheers. Did you like the property?
Yeah, I love it. Well, this must be an incredible feeling to taste your own wine, your olive oil, your products after having cultivated it for like months or years. What would you do if you were the owner of this amazing property?
I think this property is very versatile. There are different space, different area, different buildings. The land is very big, so could be your private villa. But in the meantime, I think there are lots of like business opportunity here and different kind of possibility of development for the hospitality business. So this could be, I think, a luxury hotel or like an agritourism. But in the meantime, is very interesting as wine production farm because we are in Chianti, so the ground is very interesting and there is the possibility to convert 32 hectares of the 46 in vineyard.
Wow, a lot of land.
A lot of land. So there are lots of opportunities. This terrace is very big. There is an amazing view. You are in the middle of the nature in a top position, I think.
Yeah.
And then there is the ancient wine cellar, which is very interesting because can be used for the production of wine, but also this could become like a spa for like climatization and everything. Normally the ancient wine cellar are perfect to be converted in a wellness part.
Yeah.
So Tommy, if you were the owner of this property, what you would like to do here?
Well, I would probably give up everything, the work, the city, and I would move here to dedicate myself to the vineyards and to a life of tranquility. Come Russell Crowe in Un'ottima annata, solo che con del buon vino italiano. Sorry French friends.
Visiting a property like Villa Poggio makes you think about how many magnificent places exist in the world, where beauty and nature coexist peacefully, where you don't have to have your coffee in the run, but you can savor every moment like a glass of wine in the front of the Tuscan hills.